Upset.
Hello viewers, thank you for joining Mr. Rabbit online class. Today we have a question on the board that will demand us to show that 0 factorial is 1. Remember what factorial is. For you to find factorial of a particular number, you keep on multiplying by the number, by the next number reduced by 1. For instance, if we have 3 factorial, 3 factorial means you multiply 3 times the next number. If you reduce 3 by 1, you are going to have 2. Reduce 2 by 1, you are going to have 1. So 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1, which is the same thing as 6. If you have 5 factorial, 5 factorial is the same thing as 5 times, if you reduce 5 by 1, it's going to give you 4. If you reduce 4 by 1, it's going to give you 3. Reduce 3 by 1, it's going to give you 2. And reduce 2 by 1, it's going to give you 1. Once you have 1, that is the final answer. You can get the product. This is 20, 60, 120, and you have 120. So if you have n factorial, that means n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 till you get to a point where you have 2 times 1 and so on. This is the concept of factorial. So you want to see how 0 factorial can give us 1. So we are going to employ this same concept. We have n plus 1 factorial. Let us see what n plus 1 factorial is going to give us. N plus 1 factorial will give us n plus 1 times, if I want to go n plus 1, if you reduce n plus 1 by 1, it's going to cancel. It's just like saying n plus 1, then you reduce it by 1. 1 will cancel 1, giving you n. So it's going to give us n factorial. This means that we are going to continue. It's just like having 5 factorial. I can decide to say 5, reduce 5 by 1, and it gives us 4. Instead of saying 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, I can say 4 factorial. That means that the 4, as in the multiplication continues. So at this point, I will make n factorial the subject of the formula. Remember, when you want to make the subject of the formula, you divide both sides by whatever the n factorial stands with by some multiplication. Now at this point, it's going to be n plus 1 factorial all over n plus 1. This is what we have. But the question says we should show that n 0 factorial equals 1. So at that point, let us represent n using what? 0. Let us call n 0 by saying let n be 0. At that point, wherever we see n, we will replace it with 0. Wherever we see n, we will replace it with 0. So at this point, what we have is 0 plus 1 factorial all over 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 factorial is 1. So we have 1 factorial all over 1. Remember, factorial is written just like the normal English symbol. Like you can have your exclamation sign, you have you have like this, and you have a dot. So you don't find difficulty writing your factorial sign. So 1 factorial is just the same thing as what? 1 times itself. The last one, remember. So what you have here is 1 over 1. I can say, therefore, 0 factorial equals 1, and it has been shown. This is how to find 0 factorial. Please ensure you like, share. Please don't forget to follow our page. It's very, very important as a support for our brand. Please ensure you like and share. God bless you. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate or to wish a wonderful birthday to a special person, Mrs. Embassy, a very wonderful person. I wish you long life. I wish you good health. In fact, I wish you what you've not wished for yourself yet. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day.